We're gonna go look at the snow outside.
We have a recording of the blizzard.
Oh my god, did you see the lightning? Okay, that's the light, and the snow starts there. And like you literally wouldn't even be able, if I stepped in the snow right now, it would probably be to my knees.
A small midget can drown in the snow right now.
Guaranteed. It's so windy. Oh, it's cold. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. The funny thing about this is, I still have to go to work tomorrow. According to my boss, he said we can take a day, but it's not a free day. We have to take, you know, a personal day or a vacation day, which I think it's probably not safe to be driving. And we've gotten about 7 inches. We're supposed to get about, how many inches are we supposed to get? I think we're supposed to get a total of 2 feet. Something like that, yeah. So, and we've only gotten 7 inches so far. So supposedly there's more coming. It's so windy. Oh my god, look at that. I wonder if... And this is something my mom put on the door for Valentine's Day. Isn't that cute? Oh, happy Valentine's Day. We're going outside to play in the snow. Well, my brother here is going to try to shovel me. Wait, I like how, wait, let's see how thick it is first. Look at this. This was all piled up in front of the garage.
I want to jump in that.
And my brother's about to jump in it. In the pile. You don't want to land on the shovel.
Dude, you're gonna fucking bust your shit.
Watch the language.
You know it's not water, right?
Did you just fart? Oh my god, that looks awesome. Oh my god, that's awesome. Ah, here comes the wind.
Dude! What?
Dude, this is crazy. Look. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. Oh, brotherly love. Oh, oh damn, now he's gonna get frostbite. Not so brotherly love. You gotta grab at the wrist.
Pick your ass up, man.
You should've. You should've made a snow angel. I wonder if I can put the camera on like the car. The wind's probably gonna knock it down.
The wind is what sucks.
I know. Look at those. Dude, I want to make a snow angel.
All white everything?
All white everything.
Got you.
This is me. I'm bundled up. I think I'm gonna make a snow angel. I'm gonna fall back like this.
Hey mom, don't try to come through the front door.
Oh damn, I'm too tall.
Am I taking a picture of this?
You're taking a video.
That's the best angel ever.
Except my feet aren't even in the snow.
No, it looks good though.
Last time that happened, the glove fell off.
Well, hold me tight.
Alright, there's a lot of weight. Oh, I'm scared. Wait. Hold on.
You gotta use 2.
I'm scared.
You gotta use 2 hands.
You're just gonna sit there
Okay, I'll
then.
use 2 hands.
I'll shovel you out.
I'll use 2 hands.
No, you're gonna mess up the angel!
No.
Oh.
We gotta take a picture. I don't have my phone now.
Use
And
2.
my glasses are fogging
Use
up.
2 hands.
To get up?
Yeah, hurry up.
I don't want to mess up.
What do you mean you can't bend over and get up?
Like turn around?
No, like forward. You're
No.
on pavement.
You couldn't even do it either.
Cause I was in snow.
I'm in snow Look too. Look at my snow angel. It's so pretty.
Let me see this.
Yay. Oh, damn, that's bogus. That is not nice. Here, Mom, you hold, since you're not going in there, you can hold the video camera.
My feet are ice cold, Marguerite.
Mom,
I have to get back in the house.
why don't you have shoes on?
Because I just came out here.
Oh my gosh.
That's ridiculous.
I can't even get a picture of this.
Why don't you put some shoes on?
Why don't you be
You're
quiet?
going in the snow.
Mom, you should at least put shoes on and come out here. Be a sport, Mom. Put a coat on and some shoes and come videotape us. These are memories.
Yeah, okay.
Memories you'll have for a lifetime. You're gonna regret this. I hope my camera doesn't fall over. I'm kind of nervous, guys. Yeah. Hey, Matthew, is there like a scarf there? I'll put a scarf next to it. So if it falls, it'll fall on something soft. Why are you using my scarf for that? That's a Ralph Lauren scarf. What the? No. Dude, you're using my scarf for that? Watch out. Move. Do it outside. Do it outside. I have an idea. I'm gonna put my scarf like a barrier.
This is ridiculous. This is like right here.
And I'm gonna put my.
It's like a bitch.
Look at that. So if it falls forward, it'll fall on the scarf. God, I'm a genius.
Woo!
Huh?
I just hope the snow,
Oh no, it's snowing.
like a wind doesn't come down and just like push it all to the floor. No, it's. You know this bush?
Oh, you think I'm really gonna get to the bush? Matthew!
Don't tell me. Oh, can you get me out of the bush?
You ready?
What?
Are you watching?
Yeah.
I'm scared though. It's okay. I'm gonna break something. I'm old.
You sound like Mom.
Oh my god, that's awesome. I wish I could bring my camera out here. I don't want to see it myself though.
Should I just leave this right here? This big ass pile of snow?
What are you doing? You're gonna fall like right into the snow. Oh my god. This is crazy. But it's fun. I feel like a kid. Dude, that is a whole lot of snow. The pile? That's crazy. Whew. I have to zoom out.
This is gonna be a little easier.
Look at that huge pile of snow. I'm not even like all the way back yet. That's crazy. Oh my god, the wind is cutting. You're out for like 2 seconds and everything just gets like drenched in snow because it's flying around so much. And I probably look a hot mess right now. And even they're covered. Michael hasn't even like submerged himself in snow, but he's covered in snow. Seriously, how is there no snow in your car? That like doesn't make sense. It's like defying the law of no, not gravity.
Maybe because
You're like defying the law of gravity. No, not
because
gravity.
the wind is like pushing it off. What is this?
Oh my god! You're awesome at this.
Yeah, that's what I want to be when I grow up.
Shut up.
On the snow driveways for a living.
I want to go check out the backyard.
Pretty snow. Driveway.
Shout out to all the people that support me. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to myself.
That was fun. Now we're gonna bring all the snow in the house, and everything's gonna melt, and that's gonna suck. But I need to warm up. I think I might have icicles. This is the morning after. Look at that. Wow, that's my mom shoveling snow at her house. I should really invest in a snowblower, I think. Then again, it never really snows this much, but still, it's Chicago. It'd be really beneficial to have one. They have one over there. It'd be nice of them if they came over and said, hey, you want to use our snowblower? I don't think it's gonna happen though. Alright, so I'm sure I'm gonna be out here later shoveling. Yay.